Lack of lubrication is the #1 cause of treadmill failure. By not lubricating the belt and deck surfaces, they will both wear out prematurely, and that will cause a lot of problems with your motor control board, and everything else on this machine. Hi, I'm Dan Thompson with Huff and Puff Fitness Repair, and today we're going to lube this Landis treadmill. Now, the #1 thing to know when lubricating your treadmill is that it must be the correct lubricant. Some machines like this one use a silicone-based lubricant, others use a paraffin-based lubricant. If you're not sure about which one yours requires, check your owner's manual. If you don't have your owner's manual, call the manufacturer and find out, because you do not want to apply the wrong lubricant. So, we've got our silicone lubricant here that we're going to apply to the deck of this Landis treadmill. Our 2-ounce bottles come in a nice handy size. We were going to use 1 ounce on this, so we know we're going to get down about halfway. So, first thing we do is lift up the belt, and then getting as far toward the center as possible, squeeze a bead out onto the deck. Now you can see there that we used a little bit less than 1/4 of this bottle, so we do want to add a little more to this side. That looks good right there. Now, come over to the other side and do the exact same thing. By the end of this, I should have used about half of this bottle. And there you go. Now that your lubricant has been applied to the deck, get the machine started. At this point, we need to walk the lubricant in. And all that means is it's currently on the deck surface. We need it to absorb into the cotton underlayment of the walking belt. So we just walk about 2-3 miles an hour and make sure that we cover all surfaces of the deck to allow that to soak in the belt. Do this for about 2 minutes or so, staying moving the whole time. Now that we've allowed that to soak in for about 2 minutes, we want to check everything underneath here. So once more, lift the belt up and feel the deck surface. You should feel a little bit of a slippery surface. There you can see it's gotten on both sides of my hand actually, because there is plenty on the underside of this belt as well. So, got plenty down there, we're good to go. Now the last thing that you need to do, never fails that this stuff is messy. So keep an eye out, it is also very slick. You can see here I spilled a little bit. You want to get that wiped up right away, and then also just check anywhere else on the machine that you may have gotten some and get that cleaned off of there. Once again, I'm Dan Thompson with Huff and Puff Fitness Repair. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.